Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium WebDriver Manager, WebDriver Manager, is a powerful tool that simplifies the management of WebDriver binaries for different browsers. It automates the process of downloading and setting up the WebDriver executables, making it easier for developers to work with Selenium in their automation projects. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the installation process of Selenium WebDriver Manager with code examples using Java. Before we begin, ensure you have the following prerequisites. If you don't have an existing Maven project, create one using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. This command will create a basic Maven project structure. Open the pom.xml file in your project and add the WebDriverManager dependency. Ensure that the version number matches the latest version available on Maven Central. You can find the latest version on the WebDriverManager Maven Repository page. Create a simple Java class, for example, WebDriverManagerExample.java, and use WebDriverManager to set up the WebDriver for your preferred browser. Here's an example for Chrome. This example initializes the Chrome driver using WebDriverManager and navigates to the https://www.example.com website. Build and run your Maven project using the following commands. Ensure that your machine has internet access as WebDriverManager downloads the necessary WebDriver binaries from the internet during setup. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Selenium WebDriver Manager and created a simple project using it. You can now extend this example to suit your automation needs for different browsers and scenarios. ChatGPT.